Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we're going to build 4 Small World Dioramas. We have 4 different kind of animals for each plate. In the first plate, we'll put Savanna animals. In the next plate, we'll put some backyard animals. In this plate, we'll put animals from the rainforest. And in our last plate, we'll put dinosaurs. So we have 4 small worlds to build. Let's go ahead and start building this one. So for the Savanna, we'll add some kinetic sand, some plants, a log, and a few pebbles. So our Savanna habitat is ready for animals. Next, let's make a habitat for our backyard animals. We'll add in some kinetic sand. We'll add some grass. We'll add green pebbles. We'll add some plants. And some flowers. Now our backyard animal habitat is ready. In this tray, we'll build a habitat for rainforest animals. We'll add some kinetic sand and some green pebbles. And we'll add some plants. We'll also add some pebbles. And we'll add a log here as well. So now our rainforest habitat is ready. Lastly, let's build a small world for our dinos. Let's go ahead and add some black rocks mixed with some lava. We'll add in some plants. And a volcano right in the middle. So now our dinosaur habitat is ready for the dinosaurs. So let's go ahead and check out our Savanna animals and put them in their habitat. These are Safari Good Luck Minis, so they are really teeny tiny animals. Our first animal for the Savanna is an elephant. A little gray elephant. Look how cute this elephant is. We'll put it right in the middle. Next, we have a family of lions. Here is the male lion with his mane. You can see the mane all around this lion here. Go ahead and put him near the rocks. And then we have the lioness and her cub. Look at the adorable little baby cub she's carrying. So that is the female lion, called a lioness. We'll put that one next to the male lion. Then we have a tall giraffe with its long neck. We'll put this next to some plants for the giraffe to eat. Then we have a zebra, a striped zebra. Zebras live in the savanna. Next, we have another wildcat. This is a cheetah. Cheetahs are very fast. So a cheetah, another big wildcat, like a lion, but it's a cheetah. Next, we have a hippo, a hippopotamus. Look at the hippo's mouth. That is a hippo. They have an interesting shaped snout. Put the hippo back in our savanna. And lastly, we have a rhinoceros. A rhinoceros also lives in the savanna. Look at the rhinoceros's horn. So a rhinoceros or a rhino. So we put all of our savanna animals back in their Small World diorama. You can see all the animals throughout their diorama. Next, let's take a look at this small world. This is backyard animals. Also, the little Safari Ltd Good Luck Minis. Our first animal for the backyard habitat is a beautiful blue butterfly. We'll definitely have this fly over to the pink flowers. Here we have another flying insect in the backyard. This is a bee, a honeybee. The honeybee will also buzz along to the flowers. Next we have a female deer, a doe. They love to graze on the grass. So we'll put the doe on the grass. Another animal that loves hopping along the grass is a little rabbit or a bunny. Look at this cute brown bunny. It looks like it's enjoying sitting there. I think it'll enjoy being on the grass. Or maybe we'll have it hide here underneath this plant on the green rocks. Here is a frog. We have a lot of frogs in our backyard. They're very cute. So we'll put this one right here in the front. Next we have another beautiful bird. This is a hummingbird. They have very long, pointed beaks to get nectar out of flowers. Look, it's got a red throat there. It's a hummingbird. And then we have a little snake, a garter snake. Some snakes live in gardens. And lastly, we have another bird for the backyard. This is a cardinal. Cardinals are absolutely beautiful red birds. I think they're very pretty. I've never seen a cardinal in person though. We do not have cardinals where I live. But I think that they're one of the most pretty, bright red birds. So a red cardinal. We'll put this here in the bush. So that is our backyard habitat. Now let's take a look at the rainforest animals. Here are the rainforest animals. Our first animal for the rainforest is a frog. This frog has bright red eyes. Put that right here on the log. And we have another frog too. This is a red frog. There are many frogs in the rainforest and they're very brightly colored. Here we have an orangutan. This is a primate that lives in the rainforest. We also have another primate here, a little chimp, a chimpanzee. This cute little chimpanzee. Put that one right, maybe we'll put that up here in this bush. Next we have a bear. There are different kinds of bears that live in the rainforest. And we have another snake. There are many kinds of snakes that live in the rainforest. And here we have this creature here. This is a caiman. These live in the water around the rainforest. We'll have this one coming up on the rocks. And lastly, for our rainforest, a beautiful blue butterfly. We'll have it land right here in this grass. So that is our rainforest diorama. So here are all the dinosaurs we have to put around our volcano next to all of our prehistoric ferns and plants. Our first dinosaur is a Stegosaurus. You can see the plates along the back of this Stegosaurus. Next we have a very long-necked, tall dinosaur, a Brachiosaurus. So this is a green Brachiosaurus. Have that next to the giant fern here. Here we have a Dimetrodon with a very tall spiny plate on its back. Have that right at the base of the volcano. Here we have a Tyrannosaurus Rex or T-Rex. Put the T-Rex right there. Here we have another dinosaur with a long neck. This is an Apatosaurus. Put this Apatosaurus over here by our Brachiosaurus. Here we have a Spinosaurus. This also has a spiny plate along its back. This one right here. We have 2 dinosaurs left. A Triceratops. This is a green Triceratops. We'll put the Triceratops here. And then lastly, flying in is a Pteranodon. This one can land right here. So that is our dinosaur Small World diorama. So here are all 4 of our Small World dioramas. We've got animals from the savanna, animals from the backyard, animals from the rainforest, and dinosaurs. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look at all 4 of our miniature worlds. So those were all 4 of our Small World dioramas for our Safari Ltd Good Luck Mini Animals from the savanna, the backyard, the rainforest, and dinosaurs. I hope you enjoyed checking out all 4 of our little dioramas today, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.